How will artificial intelligence shape our future job market? It's a question that's been on our minds as we observe the sprawling landscape of technology. Today, we're going to delve into the intriguing world of AI and its potential impact on our job opportunities. In the past decade, AI has moved from the realm of science fiction to an everyday reality, revolutionizing everything from how we shop, to how we communicate, to how we work. Its influence stretches across multiple industries, from healthcare, where AI algorithms diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy, to transportation, where self-driving cars are becoming an increasingly common sight. But what does this mean for the job market? As AI continues to evolve, it's predicted to bring about a significant shift in the employment landscape. Rather than replacing human jobs, AI is expected to transform them, creating a demand for new skills and expertise. Think about it this way: the rise of the internet led to the creation of jobs that didn't exist before, like web designers and social media managers. Similarly, the AI revolution is expected to spawn a new generation of careers. New jobs will emerge, requiring a blend of technical skills and creativity, jobs that we might not even have names for yet. But don't be daunted. This transformation also presents a wealth of opportunities. As AI continues to permeate various sectors, there will be a growing need for AI specialists who can develop, manage, and fine-tune these technologies. From AI ethics officers, ensuring that AI systems are used responsibly, to AI trainers, teaching AI systems to understand and respond to human behavior, the possibilities are truly exciting. In essence, the future of jobs in the AI era is not about man versus machine, but rather man with machine. As we move further into the AI era, new job opportunities will emerge. So, are you ready to ride the AI wave? Let's explore the top AI jobs that you might want to consider. AI specialists are the architects of the future. That's not just a catchy phrase, it's the reality of the tech-driven world we live in today. So, what exactly does an AI specialist do? In simple terms, they design and implement artificial intelligence systems. They're the ones who get to play around with algorithms, mathematical models, and complex data structures to create systems that can think and learn like humans. But it's not all fun and games. An AI specialist needs to have a deep understanding of both the theoretical and practical aspects of machine learning and AI. They need to be proficient in programming languages such as Python, Java, and R, and have a solid foundation in mathematics, statistics, and data analysis. The responsibilities of an AI specialist are as vast as the field itself. They design AI models, develop AI software and hardware, conduct AI research, and even provide strategic direction for AI initiatives. They're also responsible for troubleshooting and improving existing AI systems. It's a role that requires a unique blend of technical expertise, creativity, and strategic thinking. Now, let's talk about demand and salary. The demand for AI specialists is skyrocketing. Companies across all sectors are realizing the potential of AI, and they're on the hunt for professionals who can help them harness its power. As for the salary, well, let's just say it's pretty lucrative. While the exact figures vary depending on the region and the level of expertise, an AI specialist can expect to earn well into the six-figure range annually. But it's not just about the money. As an AI specialist, you get to be at the forefront of technological innovation. You get to build systems that can transform industries, improve lives, and even solve some of the world's biggest challenges. It's a job that's as rewarding as it is challenging. The role of an AI specialist is crucial in shaping the AI landscape and presents a promising career path. So, if you're passionate about technology and eager to make a difference, becoming an AI specialist could be the perfect career move for you. Data scientists are the detectives of the digital world. They are the ones who dive headfirst into the vast ocean of raw, unstructured data. Armed with their analytical prowess and technological tools, they sift through this data, seeking patterns, trends, and insights that may otherwise remain hidden. It's a role that's as challenging as it is exciting. Imagine being the one who uncovers the secrets hidden within the numbers, the one who brings meaning to the seemingly random chaos of information. That's what a data scientist does. They analyze and interpret complex digital data to help businesses make informed decisions. And in our data-driven world, this role is absolutely crucial. Think about it. In the world of business, every decision, every strategy, every move is based on data. Whether it's deciding which market to target, which product to launch, or even when to launch it, data is at the heart of it all. And who's there to make sense of all this data? You guessed it, the data scientist. But it's not just about crunching numbers and running algorithms. A data scientist also needs to communicate their findings effectively to those who may not be as data savvy. They need to tell a story with the data, a story that can guide the decision-making process. It's a role that combines the precision of mathematics, the creativity of storytelling, and the curiosity of a detective. Now, you might be wondering, what does the future hold for data scientists? Well, as we continue to generate more and more data every day, the need for people who can make sense of this data is only going to grow. Industries across the board, from healthcare to finance, from marketing to logistics, are all looking for data scientists. In fact, according to a report by LinkedIn, data scientist was one of the top emerging jobs in the last few years. And it's not just about the demand, it's also about the pay. Data scientists are among the highest paid professionals in the tech industry. So as we navigate through this new tech era, one thing is clear. The demand for data scientists is on the rise, making it a lucrative career option. Machine learning engineers are the builders of intelligent systems. Their role is akin to the architects of the digital world, creating the blueprints from which artificial intelligence evolves. They work at the intersection of software engineering and data science, using their skills to create algorithms that enable machines to learn from data. Imagine a child learning to identify a cat. A parent might point out several examples saying, "This is a cat," until the child starts to recognize the common features, the pointy ears, the whiskers, the tail, and can identify a cat on their own. That's roughly how machine learning works. Machine learning engineers train computers to identify patterns and make decisions, much like a human would. These engineers design and implement machine learning models, which are essentially complex mathematical models that can learn from data. They also develop systems that can process large amounts of data and draw useful insights from them. It's a bit like teaching a computer to be a detective, sifting through mountains of evidence to find the clues that matter. Machine learning engineers also have a role in ensuring that the algorithms they create are fair and unbiased. This is a hot topic in the field of AI, as we've seen how biased algorithms can lead to unfair outcomes. It's a complex challenge, but one that these engineers are well equipped to tackle. The future prospects for this role are bright. As more and more industries start to embrace AI, the demand for machine learning engineers is expected to increase. They're needed in virtually every sector, from healthcare to finance, from entertainment to transportation. Their skills are essential for developing AI systems that can make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. In a world that's becoming increasingly digital, machine learning engineers are the builders, creating the intelligent systems that will shape our future. And as AI continues to evolve, their role will become even more critical. They're not just building systems for today, but for tomorrow, for a world we can only begin to imagine. Machine learning engineers play a pivotal role in advancing AI technologies, making it a promising career choice. So if you're fascinated by the possibilities of AI and have a knack for problem solving, this could be the perfect career for you. AI ethicists are the moral compass of the AI world. With artificial intelligence permeating every corner of our lives, the role of an AI ethicist has become more important than ever. These professionals work tirelessly to ensure that the development and usage of AI technologies are bound by ethical considerations. But what exactly does an AI ethicist do? Well, imagine a world where AI systems make decisions without any regard for ethics. This could lead to unfair biases, privacy breaches, and even harmful consequences. This is where AI ethicists step in. They play a crucial role in preventing such scenarios by integrating ethical principles into AI systems right from the design stage. AI ethicists are often part of the development team, working closely with AI specialists, data scientists, and machine learning engineers. They help design algorithms that are not only efficient, but also respect human rights, ensure fairness, and promote inclusivity. One of the major challenges that AI ethicists face is dealing with the inherent biases in AI systems. These biases, often a reflection of the biases in our society, can lead to discriminatory practices. By identifying and addressing these biases, AI ethicists ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly and justly. AI ethicists also play a crucial role in policymaking. They help draft guidelines and regulations to govern the use of AI technologies, making sure that they are used for the benefit of all, and not to the detriment of any particular group or individual. The tech industry has recognized the importance of this role. More and more companies are now hiring AI ethicists to oversee the ethical aspects of their AI projects. Universities and educational institutions are also offering courses and degrees in AI ethics to meet this growing demand. In an era where AI technologies are evolving at a rapid pace, the role of an AI ethicist is not just important, it's indispensable. They help ensure that as we march towards a future powered by AI, we do so in a way that is ethically sound and socially responsible. With the rapid advancement of AI, the need for AI ethicists will only increase. AI research scientists are the pioneers in AI technology. These are the intrepid explorers of the tech world, navigating uncharted territories of artificial intelligence and machine learning. They are at the very forefront of this exciting field, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and charting the course for the future of AI. Think of an AI research scientist as the architect of AI technology. They design and build the very foundation that all other AI roles build upon. They are the problem solvers, the innovators, the thinkers. Their work is often complex and challenging, but the reward is the opportunity to shape the future of technology and society. What exactly does an AI research scientist do? Well, their role is multifaceted. They conduct research to develop new algorithms and techniques in machine learning, deep learning, and other areas of AI. They experiment with different models and approaches, constantly testing and tweaking to improve accuracy and efficiency. They also publish their findings in scientific journals, contributing to the collective knowledge of the AI community. Their work doesn't stop at research, though. AI research scientists also collaborate with other AI professionals to implement their findings. They work with AI specialists, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI ethicists to transform their research into practical, real-world applications. It's a role that requires not just technical expertise, but also creativity, critical thinking, and a deep understanding of the big picture. The impact of an AI research scientist cannot be overstated. Their work shapes the technology we use every day, from the voice assistants on our phones to the recommendation algorithms on our favorite streaming services. They're helping to drive advancements in healthcare, finance, transportation, and countless other industries. In short, AI research scientists are shaping our future. They're exploring the unknown, solving complex problems, and paving the way for the next generation of AI technology. Their work is challenging, yes, but it's also incredibly rewarding. AI research scientists hold the key to the future of AI, making it an exciting career path. AI is transforming the job market, creating interesting and high-paying jobs. Throughout this video, we've delved into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on the employment landscape, exploring a variety of AI-related roles that are becoming increasingly pivotal in the new tech era. Firstly, we discussed the role of an AI specialist. This is a professional who designs and implements AI models, often working in a dynamic, fast-paced environment. They play an integral part in shaping the AI landscape by developing innovative solutions to complex problems. But, like any job, it comes with its challenges. Keeping up with rapidly evolving technology and constant learning are part and parcel of this role. Next, we highlighted the role of a data scientist. Here, professionals use their expertise in statistics and programming to interpret complex data and provide valuable insights. In an age where data is the new oil, these individuals are at the forefront of turning raw data into strategic decisions. Yet, this role too demands a high level of dedication and commitment to stay updated with the latest tools and techniques. We then moved on to explore the role of a machine learning engineer. These are the architects behind AI models, responsible for creating algorithms that enable machines to learn on their own. This is a role that requires a unique blend of skills in programming, data science, and machine learning. However, the complexity of designing and maintaining machine learning systems can be a challenging aspect of this job. In the fourth scene, we examined the role of an AI ethicist. This role, though less technical, is of paramount importance. AI ethicists are responsible for ensuring that AI technologies are developed and used ethically, respecting human rights and societal norms. The challenge here lies in navigating the gray areas and dilemmas that arise with the advancement of AI. Lastly, we discussed the role of an AI research scientist. These individuals push the boundaries of what's possible in AI, conducting research to improve existing AI technologies and develop new ones. This role is both exciting and demanding, requiring a deep understanding of AI and its potential implications. In conclusion, each of these roles offers a unique set of opportunities and challenges. They all require a keen interest in AI, a commitment to continuous learning, and a passion for shaping the future of technology. As we move further into the AI era, these jobs will play a pivotal role in shaping our future. So, are you ready to be a part of this exciting journey? Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights into the AI industry.